Hey guys, so if y'all have tons of craft supplies and y'all want to get organized, this spreadsheet is the one you need for sure. So this is just a general spreadsheet, and this is more of keeping track of like all the little things you've got and trying to figure out how much you have and then just making sense of it all. So if you love doing lots of crafts, like if you're making jewelry, if you're making candles, if you're making hair bows, I mean, just all the things, and you want to just, count it all up, this is perfect. So there's a place for you. The first section here is like number, so it's like literally counting the number of items you've got. This is just the actual items. So you just delete it out and just write whatever you want. If you've got, I can't think this morning. Larger beads. I used to think they used to call them bubblegum beads. I don't remember the name of the beads that used to have like these big beads that when my kids were little they would make for the little girls to wear. I don't remember the names of them, but anyways, larger beads, the category, you can just hand type in your category. If you wanted to like do a drop down, you could do insert drop down, and then you could make an option, and you could just, make one for beads or whatever. But I didn't make a category for this because I just didn't know exactly what kind of craft supplies you have, because everyone has, um, tons of different stuff. So anyways, if you did that, it would look like this, and then you just have a drop down. And then you would just literally just drag it down and make yourself a category. But anyways, I'm gonna undo all that. Anyways, so type in your category if you have one. Description, just type in a nice description for what your items will. Since we talked about larger beads, we're gonna do large beads. And then the brands, you put your brand in there, the store, and then if you wanted to do like, where you bought it from, and then that we can click on the link to where you can buy the item again, that'd be super. Uh, the color, the size, and then some of them, like I had some that were like there is no size for hot glue, so I just put NA. And then date purchase, you can double click and put a date. The quantity, so I've got 50, and then the unit of beads, and then this counts up everything in this section, so you've got 444 of everything. You've got cost, the plan for your item. So if you want to make a bracelet, you can do that. A link for ideas. So if you want to put a link here for like Pinterest pins or stuff like that, you could do that. Whether or not you want to need to buy more, or if you have extra, you need to do something with it. And then notes. So that's it. This is super easy. I wish I had this a long time ago so I could keep track of all of my things, because I typically do have a good stash of all of my supplies. And then there's always extra, and then you think you're going to use it later, and you hope that you do. So, okay, well, anyways, the README tab, when I'm done with this video, we'll have the link to this YouTube video. So, hope y'all have a good one, and if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase the spreadsheet. Have a great day.